I was trying for the opportunity when I can able to get the opportunity to talk with you, sir. But today my dream got success. Sir,
Thank you, Mr. Sunil Kumar. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Well, I really don't have the word. Why you wanted to talk to me, sir? What's some
because
special?
sir, actually, really, I have been
Mm,
giving to for your example to my
mm,
several people. One of the
yeah,
guy who is dedicatedly speaking in English language, and he has written arifauto, and still
yeah,
his eagerness. He had joined in the cambly. After that, he has been talking with several people across the world. So it
yeah.
impressed me a lot. Your genuine, your eagerness, it is a billion time I can salute your eagerness, sir. And now you can talk very fantastic English language with several people. Yeah, sir. So really, I'm very excited to talk with you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I want to know about you, sir. Who are you? I'm sorry. Tell me about yourself.
Actually, I'm a constable in Odisha police. Still, I am preparing for UPSC civil service examination for
Hmm.
IS exam. Right,
Constable
sir.
in a sense, inspector.
Constable in police department. This is the Royal Strata. You know that
Hmm.
constable
Hmm.
is one of the post. And earlier also you might have made one or two videos regarding constable, sir. I have watched your
Constable,
videos.
constable.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
constable.
Mashallah, mashallah. That's fantastic. In
Right,
constable
sir.
in from Odisha, in
Yeah.
Odisha Police Department. Then tell me, sir, your future plan. Tell me your future
My
plan.
now
Yeah.
I have been preparing for UPSC civil service examination,
Yes.
and so why I'm interested to talk with you, I have completed in MA in English literature.
Oh my God.
Yeah, sir. Uh, Still we are afraid of to talk in public places. Why?
Yeah.
Because
Mm.
lack of confidence. That if we talk
Yes.
in English language, that people will laugh at us. So that we must not come in social media. Or we must not talk with this, other
Mm.
people. But
Yeah.
after watching the video, I realized
Mm-hmm.
my potential. I really
Mm-hmm.
say that yes, it is a great opportunity for everyone. Everybody has their own potentiality. They
Yeah.
can explore through their dedication
Mm-hmm.
without asham, without afraid. Right, Nisha?
Yeah, you are right. Well, you are the example, sir. Mr. Sunil, you are the example that you have completed your MA in English literature, isn't it?
Right, sir.
But the thing is that, studying all the while, it doesn't work. If you wanted to talk in English, the practice is most important part in our life. If you don't practice, you are the example right now over here in front of the people that you have completed your MA, Master in Arts in English Literature, even though you think yourself that you are not able to speak properly, isn't it? The
Right.
secret behind that secret behind that you are the example that studying all the while won't work. You have to practice as well. You
Right.
have to face the real world.
Right, sir.
Until you face the real world, you won't get learn English, like a conversation English. Conversation English is very different. It's a different subject. It's
Yes,
a
sir.
very yes. So what's your plan? What's your plan in UPSC? What are you looking for?
I have been preparing for UPSC civil service examinations since last 2 years, but
Hmm.
till I have not qualified preliminary examination too. But
Yes.
in this year, in 2021, then my plan is to cross this preliminary examination and
Hmm.
to qualify that examination.
Yes.
Right.
And what kind of a job you'll get that after completing a civil service examination? What
It
kind
is
of a job you'll
obviously
get?
it is obviously IAS, IPS, or IRS like this. So it is depend
Hmm.
upon my rank. In which
Yeah.
rank I will come. Yeah. So it is
Mm.
depend upon my mark and my rank. If I
Yes.
hold the very good position, then I will be in good rank. I may be the
Mm-hmm.
IS, I may the IPS, I may
Mm.
be the IFS, any
Mm-hmm.
post. So
Yeah.
depend upon my examination score, mark
Yes,
score,
yes, I think. Yeah.
right,
And
sir?
why you want to do UP civil service? Why? What's the reason
Because
is?
I'm coming from the Odisha and a very remote district. That is, you might
Mm.
have heard the Kalahandi district.
No, no.
Kalahandi it is a KBK district. It is most backward district in India.
Mm.
It is
Yeah.
regarded as the most backward district in India
Mm-hmm.
and very very remote country. And KBK, Kalahandi, Balangir, and Koraput. It is the three
Mm.
district. So
Yeah.
these three district is identified in UNESCO, UNA also, United Nation, and
Mm.
provided lot of opportunity, lot of facility for the development for this area.
Yeah,
So,
I see.
though I belong to Kalahandi district, and there are very few people are
Mm.
preparing for UPSC civil service examination, and
Yeah.
very few number, one, two, three,
Yeah.
four. I think that qualify UPSC examination because there is
Mm.
no competition here.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, in our in our district for civil service. So
Mm-hmm.
if I study,
Mm.
then it will give the motivation as well as it will
Mm.
impact. It will
Mm.
make impact to our society people too, and I can
Mm-hmm.
do lot of work for my society, for my people,
Mm.
and my country.
Yeah.
That's why
Like
I am
what do you?
preparing for UPSC civil service
Yeah.
examination, sir.
Like what do you want to do for your society was our Indian people? What do you want to do? What kind of a service
Yeah,
are you wanted to provide to
right.
our Indian
There
people?
are lot of hindrance. There are lot of problems facing by our people. First of all, the educational problems, then
Mm-hmm.
agricultural problem, then road transport problem, communicational
Mm-hmm.
facilities, and your
Mm-hmm.
health problem. There are several problems in
Mm.
our localities.
Yes,
So
yes.
that first of all, I want to build work lot of focus on education. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Because
I see.
educationally very poor in our area.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to focus. I want to do lot of work on for education for my area.
Yeah. Do you know how, like, after, uh, consider you are IS officer right now. Okay.
Right, sir.
I'll consider you as an IS officer. What kind of rights you have that you can bring changes or you can interrupt any individual or any department? How many department? Like, where you can put your interest or where you can, you can see what's going on. Like, what's your rights? What kind of rights you have after completing or after become an IS officer?
Sir, there is abundant amount of opportunity. There are a lot of opportunity in the society or
Mm-hmm.
in the post because
Mm-hmm.
a collector have the right and power
Yeah.
to looked after the several department coming under the district. And
Mm-hmm.
first level, I
Mm-hmm.
can do lot of things for my own district while I will be the posted.
Yeah.
And when I get be promoted for secretariat level or principal chief secretary level, then if I hold the
Mm-hmm.
good position in the state level, then
Mm-hmm.
also I will get the lot of opportunity to do lot of work for the state. And
Mm-hmm.
if I posted in the central level, then I will
Mm-hmm.
get a lot of opportunity to do for the better
Mm-hmm.
work for our country, right,
Yeah.
sir? So for
Yes.
example, if I posted initial stage that in district level, so
Mm-hmm.
there are a lot of problems in each and every department. That may be the education department, that may be the health department, that may be the your road communication department, agriculture any department. Every
Mm-hmm.
department has their own problem. So we have
Yeah.
to find out the problem, actually which problem is there, that how to sort out that problem. First of all, we have to do in that work, sir.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Right.
you prepared a lot, Mr. Sunil. You already prepared a lot. You have so many answers. You you are enthusiastic person. That's great. That's great.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
what we need. You are the you are the future of India. Our youth is our future of India. You know.
Thank you so much, sir.
But but the thing is the thing is that our politician,
Right.
our local leader, and the rest of the our government servant, they people, you know, people promise a lot, but they didn't deliver. What's your
Right.
opinion about that?
See, sir, because in our country,
Yeah.
uh, they have a lot of powers in politicians. There are a lot of powers is vested in the politician's hand. Though,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
though their duty, they will do their duty. But
Yeah.
being a civil servant, that we have
Mm.
also a lot of powers, and we have to decide that in which
Mm.
way that we can do our work
Mm.
effectively.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. If
Yeah.
there will be necessary to give some
Mm.
suggestion to the politician, then it is frankly, sir, actually, uh, if we do this type of work for the betterment of the society, betterment of the our nation, then we can
Mm.
give them suggestion too, right,
Yeah.
sir?
Yes. Yes.
So we must not come under the pressure of any kind of politician, because
Yes. Yes.
politician will do their own job, and being a
Mm.
civil servant will do their own
Mm.
job, sir.
Yes.
Right, sir.
Yes. Well,
Right.
that's really cool. That's really cool, Mr. Sunil. That's really cool, sir. Well, it's my fortune that I am talking to you. It's my fortune, sir. Well,
Thank you so much.
I
But
can.
I'm thinking that it is a great fortune for me too, sir,
No,
because
no, no, no.
but
Yeah.
you are a such a dynamic leader, dynamic person, that you are
Mm-hmm.
building, you are showing the proper way to the people, and you are guiding to the lot of people, and
Mm-hmm.
what motivating to the people that don't afraid of your afraid of do,
Mm-hmm.
and do your
Mm-hmm.
best so that you can create so many things, right, Nigel?
Well, you
Right,
know.
sir. So
Yes.
above all, that courageousness.
Yeah.
Actually, English is it is a one of the part, but in the courageousness, you come forward, and
Yeah.
you have shown your potentiality across the world to the people of the world.
Yes.
Several people have been contacting with you. It is the
Yeah.
identity. It is a pure identity. You have created your identity. I'm not telling about not only in India but also in the world. I
Yeah.
I have been watching your video that from Singapore, from Pakistan, from other African people are calling you, and you have been talking with them. So it is
Mm-hmm.
a moment of pleasureness, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Really, in the social media, in YouTube, really,
Yeah.
I salute you several times, sir.
Thank you,
Great.
Mr. Sunil. Sunil, you are doing fantastic job, and I wish, and I believe in you that you're gonna become an IS officer, inshallah, you know, to
Thank
bring some changes in our constitution that we have, we still behind, we are
you.
still in
Right.
the poverty, we are still in the poverty line, we still